Look, if you earn more money today than you did 5 years ago, but you feel like you're worse off, it's not your imagination. And no, it's not that you spend badly, it's not that you're irresponsible. Here's the thing, the system is designed so that you earn more, but have less. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it happens, why it happens to almost everyone, and above all, what you can do to stop running on a wheel that never moves forward. Stay until the end, because there's a part that almost no one understands, and it completely changes how you view your money. My name is Croc, and I spend too much time thinking about how to improve my finances, how to make my salary go further, how to invest wisely, and how to generate extra income and passive income without falling for false promises. If you're someone who feels like you work, get paid, pay everything, and start all over again, who wants to make better decisions with your money, and who is tired of hearing financial advice that doesn't apply to real life, be sure to subscribe and leave a like if this video helps you, because on this channel we don't talk about magic formulas, we talk about how money really works and how to use that to your advantage. Look, let me ask you something. Has this ever happened to you? A few years ago you were earning X. Today you earn more, maybe a lot more, but even so, you find it hard to save. The month feels like it lasts forever. Any unexpected event throws you off balance, and that feeling of, I used to get more out of it, won't go away. And then the guilt sets in. Maybe I spend too much. Maybe I should organize myself better. Maybe I'm the problem. No, most people aren't bad with money. It's just that no one explained to them how it really works. And today we're going to do that, step by step, without technicalities, without smoke and mirrors, without selling you anything weird. Just understand why earning more doesn't mean living better. And watch out, because later on I'm going to show you the exact moment when a pay raise starts to work against you. That point is key. Keep that in mind. Let's start with something simple. When you get a raise, what happens? At first, you relax. You feel relieved. Finally, a break. But soon after, your life adjusts. A slightly better apartment, a slightly more expensive car, more frequent deliveries, another subscription. Nothing crazy, all reasonable. And here's the trick. Your standard of living rises faster than your financial freedom. This phenomenon has a name, although almost no one knows it. Lifestyle inflation. It's not a moral failing. It's human nature. The problem is that the system needs it. Imagine this. You're walking on a treadmill at the gym. Every time you speed up, the treadmill speeds up a little more. You run faster, but you never get anywhere. That's exactly what happens with your money. Now let's add the second blow. This one is quieter. Inflation. And no, not the boring definition. Let's be clear. Inflation means this. Your money buys less stuff every year, even if the number in your account is higher. If you used to be able to buy 10 things with $100 and today you can buy 6. Earning more doesn't matter. And here comes the uncomfortable part. Salaries almost never rise at the real rate of inflation. So something perverse happens. You feel like you're making progress. But in reality, you're just trying not to fall behind. And wait, because inflation isn't the worst part. There's something else that eats away at your money without you noticing. And when you understand it, you'll see why so many people feel like they're working harder to live worse. When you earn more, you pay more taxes, you lose benefits, you become less assisted. But also, you pay more without knowing it. Commissions, interest, credit. The system loves people who earn a salary, consume finance, and repeat. Not because you're stupid, but because you're predictable. Think about it this way. Two people earn the same. One buys everything in cash. The other lives on credit. Who pays more? Exactly. The problem is that credit feels comfortable today and very expensive tomorrow. And tomorrow always comes. The system congratulates you while it impoverishes you. They tell you, you're doing well. You've grown. You've made progress. But no one asks you, how long can you go without working? How much control do you have over your time? How much do you depend on everything continuing to work? And that's the difference between earning more money and being less poor. It's not the same thing. And now, let's get to the exact point where most people get stuck forever. This is the key moment I promised you at the beginning. The moment when earning more makes you poorer is when your fixed expenses grow faster than your decision-making ability. When you can't say no. You can't stop. You can't change. Then you're no longer working to live. You're working to sustain a structure. And that, although it sounds harsh, is an elegant form of modern poverty. The good news is this. You don't need to earn much more. You need to regain control. Fewer fixed commitments, more margin, more liquidity, more options. The people who really improve their lives aren't the ones who earn the most. They are the ones who understand the game, reduce friction, buy time, not things. So the next time you hear, earning more is the solution, remember this. Earning more without understanding the system just makes you run faster on the same treadmill. Understanding how money works is what allows you to get off, and that changes everything. Thanks for watching until now. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.